Hello, and welcome to today's session. In this discussion, we will focus on the learning outcome, understanding how prepared you are for a cyber threat, and recognizing the importance of cybersecurity in safeguarding your business. Cybersecurity is no longer optional. It is essential for protecting sensitive information, maintaining business continuity, and mitigating risks in an increasingly digital world. In this video, we will explore key concepts and practical strategies that help organizations identify vulnerabilities, strengthen their defenses, and respond effectively to potential cyber threats. By the end of this session, you will have a clearer understanding of your preparedness for cyber incidents and actionable steps to enhance your security posture. Let's get started and dive into the world of cybersecurity. Read each task carefully to grasp the details. Focus on command verbs like explain, define, and describe. These guide the depth of your response. Use Harvard referencing for all sources. Proper headings and subheadings enhance clarity. Every assignment requires a cover sheet with your details. Declare authenticity by acknowledging plagiarism policies. Confirm the originality of your work. Understand the penalties for academic dishonesty. Ensure your document is in the correct format. Imagine you've joined a multinational company as a security analyst. Your role involves educating staff on cybersecurity. This is part of the company's risk management policy. Awareness is key to preventing cyber threats. Your task is to create effective training sessions. Begin by describing cybersecurity concepts. Explain its importance for businesses. Highlight consequences of inadequate security. Emphasize implications for businesses. Use these points to build your first session. Define core cybersecurity terminology. Compare behaviors of good and bad actors. Discuss vulnerable sectors to cyber attacks. This session builds on foundational knowledge. Prepare your audience for deeper insights. Develop a cybersecurity plan for your company. Identify key cyber threat intelligence concepts. Explain threats, exploits, vulnerabilities, and risks. Suggest improvements for network security. This session focuses on practical application. Prepare a detailed training session report. Ensure it meets the word limit and format requirements. Use a range of academic sources. Include a comprehensive Harvard-style reference list. Submit your assignment as specified. Refer to ebooks and journals for additional resources. For queries, email the provided address. Submit assignments 2 weeks post-unit completion. Stay informed about deadlines. Ensure all submissions meet the guidelines. This resource is created by UKversity Online. It includes third-party materials. UKversity trademarks are unregistered. Rights are reserved beyond resource inclusion. Reproductions must comply with licensing terms. Attention to detail is crucial in cybersecurity. Command verbs guide the required depth of analysis. Ensure your document is professional and presentable. Stay within the word limit. Maintain similarity below the specified threshold. Command verbs are essential in task execution. They determine the scope of response. Use verbs like explain and describe for clarity. Assess and analyze for deeper insights. Evaluate to compare and contrast effectively. Harvard referencing is crucial for academic integrity. Cite sources in text and in the reference list. Use the author date style consistently. Ensure all sources are reliable and academic. This enhances the credibility of your work. Conclusion: equip your team with the knowledge to effectively mitigate risks. Stay informed and proactive to safeguard your digital presence and ensure long-term security. If you need any help, just WhatsApp 07448436168. Our team is always ready to assist. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to seeing you in the next session.